Hey everybody, welcome to day 6. You may have noticed that I do not have a yoga mat. We'll be doing a little bit of sliding on the floor, so my mat is quite sticky. It's just easier if I don't have it. You should be fine on carpet, or if you have a wooden floor, just see how you go with it. We will start lying on the back in a V shape. So come down, allow the legs to be out in a V, and then the arms come overhead in a V shape as well. Taking up some real estate, as one of my teachers says. Lay here for a moment, connecting with the breath. Bringing the awareness to the back of the head, where it's in contact with the ground. Then the top of the back of the pelvis, the calves, and the heels. And with your awareness at your feet, imagine that you are pressing down the accelerator pedal of your car. As you press it down, your body starts to rock on the heels, up and down, up and down. Do this for a moment or so, noticing how it feels in the body. Rocking motions are soothing to the nervous system. A little bit more, always breathing, and then come to settle. With the arms are at a V, we'll move them to a T, so the arm is directly coming out from the shoulder. Bringing the awareness to the legs, keeping the right leg where it is, scoop or slide the left leg to meet it. So your legs are zipped together, and imagine your legs have now become a mermaid's tail, so they stay together in this mermaid's tail. Start to bend the knees and bring the knees up towards the right armpit, rocking over onto the right side of the hip. So you're in a twist with the arms out to a T, and the knees are probably somewhere near the right wrist. Bend the left elbow, then start to bring the left arm over and across the body. Bringing the left palm to meet the right palm, rolling onto that right shoulder, and then reaching past the right fingertips with this left hand. Then very gently start to pull the left shoulder back, sliding the palms across each other, and tracing the inside of the right arm with the left fingertips, across the bicep, then across the chest, and open back out to that T. Again, bending the left elbow, reaching across, super duper slow motion, feeling into the body, reaching across palm to palm, and then reaching past that right palm with this left hand. Maybe you even turn the face down to look at the floor. Then gently tracing the hand back across the fingertips, across the palm, the inner right arm across the bicep, across the chest, and back out to a T. Your mermaid legs then start to straighten again, and you return to your back with your legs zipped together. And guess what? Second side, start to bend the knees towards the left armpit, coming onto the left side of the body, and we'll do this on the other side. Once you rock onto that left hip with the legs zipped together, bending the right elbow, and then bringing this top arm across, palm to palm, and then maybe sliding a little bit further past the fingertips with the right hand. Then gently pulling the shoulder back, pulling the hands past each other, drawing up the inside of the left arm with the right fingertips across the chest, and opening again into this T. One more time, bending the right elbow, rolling over onto that left side, reaching across, and maybe as the palms touch and you slide the right hand past the left fingertips, you look down at the floor with the face. Drawing these fingers back, gently using the breath, noticing how it's feeling in the body, and then coming back, sliding your mermaid legs straight again, And coming onto the back into this V shape. Pausing for a moment here. We'll do one more each side. Sliding the left leg to meet the right. Bringing the mermaid legs up to this right armpit. Bending the left arm and then reaching across. Left palm to right palm, maybe sliding that left hand past and then turning the face to look down at the floor. And drawing this left shoulder back. Tracing the fingertips across the inside of the arm, opening back out into this T shape. Again, bending the left elbow, bringing it over, bringing the palms together, reaching past the fingers, looking at the floor, and then opening back out, drawing the fingertips across the front body, straightening those mermaid legs, returning to the midline, and then bending them the other way, bringing the knees up towards the left armpit, and then this right elbow bends, the right arm comes over, you're on the left side, maybe looking down at the floor, palms to palm, and then pulling back gently across the body, back out to this T. Last time, bending the right elbow, lifting the arm up, coming across onto this left side, palm to palm, maybe past the palm, fingertips extending out, looking down at the floor, the head, and then pulling all the way back. Straightening those legs, coming back out into this X shape. And we'll move the feet up and down again, pressing on that accelerator pedal. Shaking the body. Feels so good. And then start to settle. Maybe curling over onto one side and pushing yourself up into a comfortable seat. Wonderful. I really enjoyed that one. I don't know about you. I really like this movement with my shoulders. It feels so good. I've done some of that in my standing classes. Thank you for joining me for day 6, and I will see you again tomorrow. Have a good day.